Here comes Brindavan Superfast Express. Today is a special occasion. From today they are given LHB coaches for Brindavan Superfast Express. ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ ಬೃಂದಾವನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಗೆ LHB coaches ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This was South India's first superfast train. 1964 it was introduced, October 1st. And also the first intercity train of South India, RPM Thangam. ಇದು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 5 ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಂದ, ಚೆನ್ನೈಯಿಂದ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ಇವಾಗ 6 ಅವರ್ ಮೇಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ. When it was introduced it took 5 hours. Then it was slowed down. Now it is more than 6 hours. RPM Thangam. If I am not wrong, this is the first VAP 7 allotted to RPM. 30479. Decorations done nicely. Chennai and Bengaluru. BBQ, primary maintenance. Very nicely done road. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. நல்லா பண்ணியிருக்காங்க board. Decorations எல்லாம் கூட பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. It's a very very significant train, not just being the first super fast train of South India, it was also a great connectivity. Not just the significance of being the fastest connectivity in the 1960s, but also it provided connectivity to Mysore. There was a meter gauge connecting train from Bangalore to Mysore when this train arrived, and subsequently they wanted to extend it to Mysore. It was supposed to be extended, that's why the name is called Brindavan Express. It is named after Brindavan Gardens near KRS, Mysuru. After gauge conversion, but that never happened. It was just a standalone intercity between Bangalore and Chennai. This information was given by DSP sir, DSP Anirudh. He is a very knowledgeable train fan. Others would be knowing him. ಇದು ಬರೀ ಚೆನ್ನೈ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮೈಸೂರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಹೆಂಗಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೈಟ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಸೇರುತ್ತೆ ಚೆನ್ನೈಗೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಂಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ನೈಟಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಆವಾಗ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಂದ 1960s. ಈ ಟ್ರೈನೇ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ದಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಟು ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. By the time it reaches at night, GT would be leaving. In the 60s, there was no train to Delhi, and this train would be the connectivity to GT Express. And even in the morning when GT arrives, this will leave in the morning, so back to Bangalore. And in the 70s, Tamil Nadu Express was started. Tamil Nadu Express was a night train which was introduced in the mid 70s, and arriving back at morning to Chennai. But in the late 70s only, Karnataka and Kerala Link Express was started. Even in the 80s and 90s, they became independent, but only for a few days only they used to operate, not daily train. Late 90s or early 2000s, Karnataka Express was made daily. So till then, this train would give the connectivity to GT and Tamil Nadu. A very fast connectivity. This was made double decker in 1980s. I think for a few months or few years. ತುಂಬ ಧೂಳು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ವಿಂಡೋ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಡೆಕರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ. ಆವಾಗ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ರು ಡಬಲ್ ಡೆಕರ್. ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು trouble the lower deck passengers. That's why they stopped it. This train and other trains have had a special livery also. In the 80s and 90s and all, trains had special liveries. There's a Hindi movie called Coolie. It was shot on that FOB, and in this 5-6 platform and all. That was the main platform in those days. In that Coolie movie there is a song, and in that song you can see this train. You can see Karnataka Express. Karnataka Express would be top yellow, bottom green, and in the green there will be a yellow band. Coolie film ಇದೆ, Coolie film இருக்குது, அதில் ஒரு பாட்டில் வரும், அதில் ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು Karnataka Express. In the middle of the song you can see Brindavan Express also, fully green, above the window yellow band, below the window yellow band. That was Brindavan Express. In the middle of the song you can see that. So every super fast train and express trains had a unique livery, but nowadays everything is blue or red. Nothing unique about it. Even Udyan had separate livery. Udyan was operated by SR only, then SWR, then recently means some years ago only they changed it to CR, Solapur division, with RSA with Siddheshwar. Pantry car. I had travelled in this train only few times in the 90s, once in AC chair car and other times in general compartment. So I don't have anything fond to remember it by. Brand new coaches, 2021 manufactured, arranged numerically 444, let's see, 445. ಮುಂಚೆ ಚೆನ್ನೈಯಿಂದ ಜೋಲಾರ್ಪೇಟು ಡಬಲ್ ಲೈನ್, ಜೋಲಾರ್ಪೇಟೆಯಿಂದ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಲೈನ್, ಆವಾಗ 5 ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಆದ್ರೇನು 6 ಅವರ್ ಮೇಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಟಿಲ್ ಜೋಲಾರ್ಪೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಜೋಲಾರ್ಪೇಟ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್. 5 hours it took. Now with complete double line it takes 6 hours 5 minutes on this side, while going back 10 minutes, 6 hours 10 minutes. Slowed down. There is a green WDP 4D. I think it must be GOC or ERS. GOC. Interiors. 108 seats. Rail also. Very nice. Reading lights. This is the favorite train of one of my viewers. He is also a rail fan. He also has a YouTube channel, Aditya Siddharth. Brindavan Express is his favorite train, and that loco also is his favorite, Tangam. So today must be a very happy day for him. உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்ச ட்ரெயின் LHB கொடுத்தாச்சு, புத்தம்புது கோச்சு, உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்ச லோக்கோ இன்னைக்கு ட்ராக்ஷன். ஸோ உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்கணும் ஆதித்யா. தெரில அவரும் வந்திருக்காரா பார்க்குறதுக்குன்னு தெரில. AC coaches also consecutive numbers again, 2 1 1 8 2 4 8 2 5. It's double decker. Coupling it. All the general coaches are kept behind. Usually they keep one in the front and one behind. Total of 3 are there. 4. They could have kept 2 plus 2.